Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a mouth-watering strawberry oat pie that is both healthy and delicious. So let's get started. First you will need 100 grams of oats and a large banana or 4 mini banana if you prefer. Mash the bananas thoroughly and combine it with the oats. Press mixture into 8-inch pie mold. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes to set. While the crust is baking, slice 300 grams of strawberries into heart shape. It looks really yummy. Do you agree? Tell me in the comment section. Now in a bowl, combine the strawberries with a few drops of lemon juice, 20 grams of sugar substitute and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir the mixture. Once the crust is ready, arrange the strawberries and some blueberries on the top of it. Pop the pie back into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. And here you go, your amazing oat pie is ready to enjoy. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!